Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing. So in this video, we will unbox the Vivo Y35, and this is a new mid-range phone from Vivo which is costing around 60,000 PKR in the Pakistan market. So in this price range, we have 44 watt fast charging with 5000 mAh battery size. We also have extended RAM feature. We have a 50 megapixel triple cameras on the back, audio booster 2.0. And we have 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage, and the color I have a gate black color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan, and you can see. So here is a box of the Vivo Y35, and this phone is a successor of the Vivo Y33s, and the Vivo Y33s is powered by Helio G80 SoC, while the Vivo Y35 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 680. So we have an improvement in the SoC, also in the display, also in the fast charging compared to the Y33s. Now let's quickly unbox this phone like this. And now let's open this box. So on the top we have our device, Vivo Y35. Now let's out the phone from this plastic like this. And guys, and this is the black color of the Vivo Y35, and the design also improved a lot. And you can see here is the Vivo Y35 looks like in the black color, and the design language of this phone is very similar to Vivo V25 series, which hasn't launched in the Pakistan market yet. So on the back we have a triple cameras. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Let's see what tests we get other than the phone. So first thing, we got our soft silicone case, as you can see, important information and warranty card, as well as a quick start guide. Also we have our charger, and guys, and this is a 44 watt fast charger, and you can see which is an upgrade over 18 watt on the Vivo Y33s. Also we have hand-free, which we don't see from any other brand, with headphone jack. Nice to see we are getting hand-free. So this is our cable, USB Type-C to USB-A. Let me show you USB Type-C to USB-A. Also we have SIM ejection tool. So now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at the Vivo Y35. Now let's see the physical overview of this phone. So on the bottom we have a speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, headphone jack. This phone does not have any dual speakers. On this side we have nothing. On the top we have SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray. We have a full-fledged SIM slot or not. Yes, you can use one microSD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. Also inside the SIM tray we also have a rubber, and on the back we have a triple cameras. We have 50 megapixel main camera with a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and the camera setup, it is exactly the same as the Vivo Y33s. The design language has changed. The back still is made up of plastic, as well as the frame of this phone. On this side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button. On the front we have 6.5 inch Full HD plus IPS LCD display with 90 Hz refresh rate versus 60 Hz on the Y33s. So we also have auto top notch, no punch hole, and the bottom chin, I would say it is okay. On the front we also have a screen protector which is already installed. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Vivo Y35. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a IPS LCD display. Here is a maximum brightness on this phone, so the display it is also pretty bright. So here are the pre-installed application on this phone. So now let's go to the settings, and now let's go about phone. So this phone is running on Android 12. That's really good thing. Also this phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 SoC. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size, and the weight balance is done very well on this phone. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner, and the fingerprint scanner it is also really fast. So we have 128 GB of internal storage out of 106 GB it is available for you guys. So now let's go to the display. So we also have 90 Hz refresh rate, but on default it is on auto. So now let's look at the camera, and this phone has a 50 megapixel main camera. So here is a camera UI looks like, and you can see. So here is your 1x no ultra wide, and here is your 2x, which is a digital zoom. We have portrait mode, night mode, and the photo mode. We also have a macro mode which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back, and you can see although the quality it is not that great. So now let's go video mode. So the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps and 60 fps is available with the 720p resolution. So on the back we also have a stabilization mode, and you can see which give you a better video stabilization. So in the mode section we have 50 megapixel mode, we have pro mode, we have slow motion, and we have other features as well. So now let's look at the front facing camera. This phone has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. The selfie camera, I would say it is not that great. In this price range we have much better front facing camera like on the Vivo Y35, which has a 50 megapixel selfie camera. On the front we have night mode, portrait mode, and front camera also shoot maximum at full HD 30 fps. So in terms of the camera features wise, this phone has a lot of camera features, night mode, slow motion, all those things it is available on this phone, and with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680, and the performance on this phone should be great in day-to-day tasks. But this phone does not made for gamers, and this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 44-watt fast charging. So this phone should give you at least 1.5 days of battery life on light use. Also we have 44-watt fast charging. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.